All right, guys, we're doing Loggins and Mecina today. Your mama don't dance and your daddy don't rock and roll. Great song. Let's see if I can play it today. Let's see. Yeah, your mama don't dance and your daddy don't rock and roll. Your mama don't dance and your daddy don't rock and roll. And so forth. Hello everyone, I'm Shawn. Welcome to my easy piano lessons. We're about to do the part 1 lesson right now. All the lessons for this though, including all of those delicious piano fills and solo stuff, are on my website, webpianoteacher.com. It's quite a while to transcribe it all and write it out for you guys, but I did it. And I even put the bass line in there for you so that we could have a piano bass line that matches the bass line in the song. Because it doesn't really, cook unless you have that bass line with it, right? So right at the beginning of the song, we have this, and it's just the guitar doing that. You could play it lower like this. Sometimes that sounds okay, but I think up here works better. And I'm putting a little B in front of that C sometimes, because the guitar does a little slide down, and it doesn't actually play a B there, but it gives us the imitation, the feel of that slide. So I just thought of that just now, so if you want to try that. But it's 4 times, and this is not the piano part, it's just the guitar part. So you can go. What I'm doing there is C, D sharp, E in the left. The right hand's doing G, G, and then C and G together, and then an A. So it's 1, 2, and 3, and 4. And I put a little B in there if you want to do that, okay? So 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2. Here's the 3rd time, 4th time. You could also put an octave at that, so it sounds a little fuller. I think I like that the best. Okay, so I'm going to do an octave and I'm going to put a little B in there. Alright, little word to all you beginners out there, beginner rockers and so forth. This might be a little too challenging for you. It may not be, but a lot of you will need beginner lessons. I do have 79 beginner lessons on my website just to get you going, give you a good foundation so that something like this isn't so intimidating when you finally try to learn it. But anyway, so your frustration level might be due to that. It's not you, it's just that you're not ready for this level yet. You've got to get stronger in those fundamentals first. All right, so 4 times. Now what we have, the piano still is not in yet, but we hear something go, wow, and I don't know what it is, but to imitate that, I'm going to do this. C, G, C at the top, and I'm going to do F sharp with it, and I'm going to flip it a little bit. And what I've done is I've put that bass in the left hand. So what we're going to play is actually more than what the piano player is doing, because the piano player is not doing this. Guarantee you. He'd get in the way of the bass player, and also he gets to concentrate more on what he's doing in the right hand. So 1, 2, and 3. You can roll it. You want to do that, and then a little tremolo. I like that. So what we're doing, we're given an imitation or a transcription of what happens at the beginning, even though the piano has not even done one note yet. We want to sound like the album version. 3, 4. Okay, kind of sounds like it, all right? So the guitars are still going. Da-da-da-da. On this part right here, I like to go C, D sharp, E, G, A with all 5 fingers. Some of you may want to go 5, 3, 2, 1, 2, but to me that kind of gets me lost rhythmically. I like to use all 5 fingers. That way I can feel exactly where I am rhythmically because I use the same fingers every time. All right. So C, D sharp, E, G, A again. The top, this is the guitar. And the piano comes in. Obviously you can't play this at the same time you go. I just put it in there because that's what the guitar does, and I need to finish that musical line. So it's F, A with 3, 5, D sharp, G with 2, 5, go to E, da, 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 do it again. All right, so 1. And then I come up here. Because I want to play the piano part, because I am playing the piano, so I don't actually ever play that. Okay? So I have 1, 2, 3. And I come up there. Okay? Now this time, I have D, B flat, C, A, and the D, B flat comes in when you play the G. So it'd be a good idea to play that left hand by itself over and over in correct rhythm, so that when you finally do put the right hand with it, the left hand leads that rhythm so you don't get lost, because this can be rhythmically challenging. Putting your hands together. It's not hand independence. I get tired of hearing that. That's not what we want. That's what you have is hand independence. You don't want your hands to be independent. You want them to have cooperation, to be able to work together within the rhythmic framework. Because the truth is, when you play something, you're feeling all the rhythms as one thing. You don't feel a left hand rhythm and a right hand rhythm. You feel them together at the same time. You experience the left hand and the right hand at the same time. So you want cooperation. Okay, so da, da, and then B flat G. That's how I write a tremolo. I just put a curved line showing that we're going to play it. And then the 2 dashes like you see in traditional music notation, the railroad track things. Tremolo. Tremolos don't have to be as fast as you can do them. Just you know, even. So let's go from the beginning. You ready, go. 2, 3, 4. Your mama don't dance and you. Now the piano didn't play there, but I wrote some stuff so that you can play the bass line, and I'll show you how to make up some stuff on the top for the right hand to sound bluesy while you sing it or someone else sings it, okay? So this arrangement is going to have everything in it. I wrote it, I always write everything as if I'm going to have to perform it, and I want to have all the parts in there, and I want everybody to recognize it and go, oh, that sounds like the real thing. That's my goal. So I put all this in there, and I'm going to show you the whole thing, even all the solo stuff and the licks in the right hand that are coming up that are so fun that you've always wanted to play. I'm going to show you how to do them. I'm going to show you what fingers to use to play it and some little techniques on playing things fast and clearly, okay? So all that good stuff coming in on webpianoteacher.com. Wish I could put it all on YouTube and Facebook for free, but, you know, guys got to make a living. If I put it all for free, then no one ever... I can't do it anymore. So, see you on the website. I hope you enjoyed the part 1. My best to you. Talk to you later.